Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, we are going to learn about layout. Layout is nothing but a common design used universally throughout the Next.Js application without using multiple time. So we have different types of layout. One is single shared layout, another one is per page layout. So I'm gonna explain these two layouts with practical demonstration. So let's start the single shadow layout. The single shadow layout is nothing but same layout will be used universally throughout the application. For that, I'm gonna create a directory first called components. Within this, I'm gonna create header.jsx. So header, and I'm gonna provide class name layouts, and I'm going to create a footer inside here itself, footer.jsx, and we are going to create a function and provide class name, and so what's the class name? Layouts. Let's copy and paste here itself in the same way. So after pasting here, I want certain styles in the layout, so it should be positioned in the bottom. So position absolute and bottom 0 pixel, and the width should be 100%. After this, so we are going to use this header and footer universally all over the application. So we can put these two components in single component and use anywhere. So for that, I'm going to use layout.jsx and create a function. After this, import header dot slash header, and here, so here these things happened here, so we have to remove these and all this. Okay, next, in the same way, we have to import the footer also. Footer from dot slash footer, and here for this layout I'm gonna remove, and I'm gonna remove this also, and put header and footer inside. Header footer. So after this, I'm gonna use this header and footer layout inside the app.js here. So it will reflect on everywhere. Import layout. After this, I'm gonna provide the return fragment component, then I'm gonna provide the layout. So layout layout, so we have to change this to capital letter here also, layout, and copy, cut, paste down below. So next we are going to write the styles for the layouts. So layouts in a global.css layouts. So we are going to provide height 100 pixel and background color aquamarine. So successfully we have created a styles, and I'm gonna create a new page, and this page is going to called as about.js. Here create a function. Okay, done. Control shift. New terminal has been created, and let's start the terminal application. So we can see here. So if we see the home page, we will have the header and footer and if we go to the about page also, we will have the same way header and footer. But here if we go to the about page, we didn't give any layout. The reason is we have provided this layout in the app.js file, so it will provide universally. This is called a single shared layout. And next we are going to see per page layout. Per page layout is nothing but, so in about page also, header and footer, in every page it will come. So in certain pages we don't want the footer. So how to achieve this one? So we have to remove the footer, or we have to get only header. So for this, in this case I want the header only in the about page. So I'm gonna create a per page layout. So we have to first provide the function name dot get layout, and create another function get layout. So within this, return here we will get the params. These params will provide the return statement of this about function. So here we have to paste page and header. So here we don't have the header. First of all, I'm gonna import the header from dot slash components slash header. So after creating this, if we go to the about page, still we have the about header and footer in the about page. So we have missed that. Here one few conditions. We have to check certain condition here. So if we have and component dot get layout, so if we provide this, this will check in this page there is a universal layout, or a particular layout has been given for the page. So if the condition satisfied and the particular condition has given to the page, then it will return. So we have to provide component dot get layout, and we have to provide this whole layout inside here, and we have to remove this one. If we check now, we will have the header only, and there is no footer. Because of For about page we have provided the layout function, and in the app.js it will check there is a get layout is there or not. If it is there, then return the component with the get layout. So this component that get layout command is used to tell the Next.js, hey, in this page we have some custom layout, per page layout, so you have to render this particular layout, not the layout which is mentioned in the return function. So it will return the layout mentioned already in the per page layout. Guys, please provide your thoughts in our comments about the single sad layout and per page layout. So if you have any doubt also comment, please, I will help you definitely. So we have reached the final part of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, get the updates regularly.